In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert DocHub into PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have a clean .ptx file ready to present or edit using only your browser and a finalized document from DocHub. First, make sure your document in DocHub is completely finished, spelling, formatting, and any signatures or annotations you want to keep. Open the document in DocHub, then look toward the top right corner for the download or export icon. It often looks like a downward arrow or an arrow pointing into a box. Click that, choose the option that saves the file to your computer, and confirm that the format is set to PDF. This matters because the conversion tools work best when you start with a proper PDF. Click Download, choose a folder you'll remember, and give the file a clear name so you can find it quickly. Once it's saved, it's a good idea to open the PDF just to confirm everything looks right. Pages in order, text readable, images sharp, and annotations visible if you included them. Next, head to your preferred online PDF to PowerPoint converter. There are many reliable options, and most work in a similar way. On the site, look for a button labeled Upload or Select File. Click it, navigate to the PDF you just downloaded, and select it. Some sites have file size limits or optional settings, so if you're working with a large or image-heavy document, give it a moment to upload and process. Keep the tab open while it converts. Closing it early can interrupt the job. When the conversion finishes, you'll see a prompt to download your .ptx file. Click Download and save it to your computer, again choosing a clear name and an easy-to-find location. Open the PowerPoint file to review the results. Check slide by slide that the content looks right. Text is legible, images are placed correctly, and any annotations you intended to keep have carried over. Depending on the original PDF, some elements may come in as images, which is normal. If fonts look different, that's usually due to font substitution. You can adjust the font in PowerPoint or try a different converter for better compatibility. If you're working with sensitive information, choose a trusted conversion service and consider removing confidential data before you upload. Keep the original PDF as a backup so you can try another converter if you want a different layout or sharper text. That's all you need to turn a DocHub document into a PowerPoint you can edit and present with confidence.